Psalm, chapters 9 to 10, verses 2 to 21. Thanksgiving for victory, and prayer for justice. I will praise you, Lord, with all my heart. I will declare all your wondrous deeds. I will delight and rejoice in you. I will sing hymns to your name, Most High. For my enemies turn back, they stumble, and perish before you. You upheld my right, and my cause, seated on your throne, judging justly. You rebuked the nations. You destroyed the wicked. Their name you blotted out, for all time. The enemies have been ruined forever. You destroyed their cities. Their memory has perished. The Lord rules forever, has set up a throne for judgment. It is God who governs the world with justice, who judges the peoples with fairness. The Lord is a stronghold for the oppressed, a stronghold in times of trouble. Those who honor your name, trust in you, you never forsake those who seek you, Lord. Sing hymns to the Lord, enthroned on Zion, proclaim God's deeds among the nations. For the avenger of bloodshed remembers, does not forget the cry of the afflicted. Have mercy on me, Lord. See how my foes afflict me. You alone can raise me from the gates of death. Then I will declare all your praises. Sing joyously of your salvation, in the gates of daughter Zion. The nations fall into the pit they dig. In the snare they hide, their own foot is caught. The Lord is revealed, in this divine rule. By the deeds they do, the wicked are trapped. To Sheol the wicked will depart all the nations that forget God. The needy will never be forgotten, nor will the hope of the afflicted ever fade. Arise, Lord, let no mortal prevail. Let the nations be judged in your presence. Strike them with terror, Lord. Show the nations they are mere mortals.